Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the financial services. In the last class we are discussed about the various kinds of financial services. In this class we are going to discuss about fee based financial services or advisory financial services. Okay? We are going to discuss in detail about fee based financial services. For rendering service, this kind of institutions are getting returned fee, some amount of fee. These institutions are providing the services on the basis of in return of fee. Okay. Then first of all, we are going to discuss the first one, merchant banking financial service. Merchant banking is one of the financial service provided by the non-banking financial corporations. Okay. Merchant banking, first of all, in India, the merchant banking concept was introduced by Grindlays Bank in 1969. In 1969, Grindlays Bank introduced merchant banking services in India. Later, several banks like SBI, Canara and other kind of banks introduced merchant banking services. Okay. First of all, Grindlays Bank introduced merchant banking services in India in 1969. Later, several Indian public banks and other kind of banks are introduced merchant banking services in India. Okay. Merchant banking services is different from the other banking services or ordinary banking services like borrowing and lending. It is not associated with borrowing and lending of money like commercial banks and other kind of banks. Okay? Commercial banks main function is buying and lending, borrowing and lending of money. Okay? That function this does not include in merchant banking. Merchant banking is a deviant one or different one. Okay. Merchant banks are engaged in different kinds of financial services or advisory services in return of fee. Okay. They are mainly providing the financial services, their services, merchant banking services to industrial and business houses. Okay, they are not engaged in providing services to individual persons. They mainly engage in providing services to industries and business houses for accumulating fund, for selling the securities, for buying the securities and other kind of services. Okay. Merchant banking or merchant banks mainly engaged for providing services to industrials and business houses. Okay, they does not engage for providing business to individual persons like buying or lending or borrowing the money. Okay, they are mainly providing the services to industrial and business houses. What are the services? Which kind of services are providing by the merchant banks or merchant banking? First one, financial advisory services. Okay, merchant banks are providing financial advisory services. Merchant banks are providing advices on financial matters to the companies, to the corporation, to the business houses. Okay, merchant banks providing financial advisory services to corporates or business houses or industries. Okay. Then providing technical advisory services. In the technical matters, merchant banks are providing technical advisory services and managerial services, etc. There are several kinds of other advisory services are there. Managerial services for the management, proper management. Merchant banks are providing managerial services. Okay. Merchant banks are registered as non-banking financial corporation or company in RBI. Okay, merchant banks are registered as non-banking financial corporation from the RBI. They got the certificate of NBFC, non-banking financial corporation, from the Reserve Bank of India. Merchant banks are non-banking financial company or corporation. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss several kinds of financial services provided by the merchant banks. Okay. First one, they may engage in new issue and existing security services. New issue, primary issue. Okay. New issue, first issue. Okay. If a company issuing fresh shares to the shareholders, fresh new shares to the shareholders, in that case, that company mainly associated with the merchant banks. Or existing shares, secondary market, merchant bank associated with secondary securities. Okay, second-hand securities. Okay. Then second one, they manage and market, underwrite new securities. They manage new securities. They market new securities in the market. Merchant bank helps to market and manage new securities of a company and underwriting of securities. What do you mean by underwriting? Underwriting is an agreement. Underwriting is an agreement or guarantee given by the merchant banker. If none of the person has came to purchase the company shares, nobody came to purchase the company's shares, the merchant bank assures that if anyone doesn't buy the shares of the company, we will buy it. Okay, that is a guarantee given by the merchant banks. Okay, that is called underwriting. If none of the person buy the company shares, we will buy it at a certain rate, below the face value or below the market value. Okay. Next, project financing. Project means investment opportunity. Merchant banks are providing the financing services to the persons, to the companies, for the financing in a project, financing in a business, financing in an investment opportunity, project financing. Next, credit facility. In merchant banks, there are several kinds of credit facilities for the organizations, for the innovation, for the development, for the betterment of the corporation. Next one, project leasing. There are several kinds of leasing facilities also provided by the merchant banks. And other kinds of corporate venture, corporate credit, venture capital. Venture capital means the capital provided to the companies in high risk, high income associated companies investing the money. That money is called venture capital. Venture capital means the capital invested in the high risky areas, high risk, high profit areas. And mutual fund. Many merchant banks are already also engaged in the services like mutual funds and providing the investment management services. Okay, if a company, if a corporation, if wish to invest in some area, merchant banks are providing the advisory services on investment management. These are the major details related to the merchant banking. Okay, merchant banking is one of the fee-based advisory financial services. Okay, merchant bank, first one, Brinsley Bank, ending 16 in India. It involves rendering non-banking services by industrial and business houses, financial, technical, managerial services, etc. NBFC, non-banking financial corporations, services like new issue and existing security services. They manage and market underwriting new securities, project financing, credit facilities, project leasing, corporate credit, venture capital, mutual fund, investment management. These are the major details related to the merchant banking. Thank you.